Bitch, I'm getting high, blowing like a ceiling fan. All the feds on my ass, I don't give a damn. I just did a drive-by in a minivan. Hurry up and bye-bye. We got plenty grams. Bitch, I'm getting high, blowing like a ceiling fan. Know the feds on my ass, I don't give a damn. I just did a drive-by in a minivan. Hurry up and bye-bye. We got plenty grams.
Mr. Sean York.
My name is Stu Money, man.
Stu Money?
Yo.
Oh, very cool. Is that what they call you?
What the fuck? That's what your old lady called me.
Oh, yeah, does she? So, Stu Money, did you hear about the drive-by shooting the other day?
Fuck that got to do with me?
Oh, well, that's exactly why I'm here. Because I think it has everything to do with you, actually.
I think the fuck not.
Well, got a little bit of evidence that suggests otherwise. So do you want to cooperate? Been waiting around to talk to you. You like pictures, Stu Money?
I like pictures of bitches.
Oh, really? Me too. Well, these aren't pictures of bitches, but what I do have is pictures of a crime scene. Specifically bullet casings. Oh yeah. And those have your fingerprints on them. So, whenever you're ready to cooperate, let us know. Stu Money.
I am one of the illest niggas in Virginia. You ain't heard of Stu Money, better get familiar. Got the feds talking about me like I'm 6'9", and all these pussy niggas scared of the big slam. 30 clip hanging out a big 9. Bitch, I'm not gonna let the fucking crackers catch me this time. And nigga, you can never be gang. Used to be my dog, shit would never be the same. I'm a boss hard, I can never be lame. Dope boy swag, gold teeth, gold chain. How you wait until you 38 to wanna gang bang? Word to my mama, all these niggas on the food chain. Bitch, I'm getting high, blowing like a ceiling fan. All the feds on my ass, I don't give a damn. I just did a drive-by in a minivan. Hurry up and bye-bye. We got plenty grams. Bitch, I'm getting high, blowing like a ceiling fan. Know the feds on my ass, I don't give a damn. I just did a drive-by in a minivan. Hurry up and bye-bye. We got plenty grams. I'm feeling like I'm Pablo now. I feel like El Chapo now. I wish I can break Rollo out. What you gon' do when it all falls down? What you gon' do when the money gets slow and then the feds come knocking and we all go down? Military choppers and they hold 100 rounds. Got some young shots that's taking all your pounds. You know Big Five, my position in the kitchen. Bustin' down a bell, baby mama frying chicken. 12 P's on demand, that's just how I get it. Straight from Carolina, she gon' rap it, she gon' send it what I am. Bitch, I'm getting high, blowing like a ceiling fan. On the feds on my ass, I don't give a damn. I just did a drive-by in a minivan. Hurry up and bye-bye. We got plenty grams. Bitch, I'm getting high, blowing like a ceiling fan. Know the feds on my ass, I don't give a damn. I just did a drive-by in a minivan. Hurry up and bye-bye. We got plenty grams.
We know you killed the guy. Now you cooperate. How's that sound?
Take the hot coffee, pour it on your fucking chest.
Okay, I'm gonna take you to jail for the rest of your life. How's that sound?
Hey, cool.
Yeah?
Cool. I ain't going to nobody's jail though.